up, YouTube? Today we are finally learning wheelies, or at least we're gonna try to. That's on our bucket list for sure. We're gonna go down to a spot, just a super long straight road. If we can get out of this traffic, holy, it's taking us forever to get there because of this traffic. Okay, dude, we are fighting traffic out here. Yeah, no, dude, traffic was so bad, and it's also so hot out here. The plan is to stay out here for, I guess, until we're satisfied, but we need to get the wheelies locked down. We're already getting a lot better at them. There has been a lot of progress. Both of us are chasing our wheelies really hard, but I mean, what can you expect? We're still learning, so all the stunt riders that want to critique me in the comments, go for it, I guess. We do have Bimota Tesi behind us. She's on the R7. Go give her a follow. And we got ZX10R right behind me. He's on the ZX10R. Go give him a follow as well. I'm gonna grab some gas real fast. I'm not seeing 91. I'm probably at like half a tank. Thank you.
I just picked up a BMW as well.
Which one?
It's not a sport bike, it's the Grand America. How long have you had this thing for?
I've had it for about a year and a half now. Give her. Oh yeah, I love it. It's a blast.
I want to get a sport bike, but I just dump money on this Grand America.
Yeah, do it. It's worth it to me. No, they're fun. Yeah, it's nice meeting you though.
Yeah, nice meeting you. Ride safe.
You as well. Okay, we tried to stop for gas, but this gas station just doesn't have 91. We're good. We still have quite a bit of gas, but you always like to fill up. See if we can pop it up right here. Bad first wheelie. Really bad second wheelie. Now we're gonna get to the spot. We have food as well, so we might just chill for a second, get some food in us, and we're gonna learn wheelies today. Like, if not today, we're gonna make a lot of progress. Yo, we need to go under one of those. Meow. Yeah. Yeah. He agrees. I've seen so many videos of people just flying underneath them. I don't even know the names of those, but it looks fun. It looks like there's a couple cars just here and there, but nothing bad at all. All right, let's relax for a second, get everything together, and let's practice some wheelies. Let's go get some wheelies in. Remember, we're just learning, so. That's a good one. Yo, he got that up there, dude, and he was holding it out. I think I'm leaning forward again. I think I need to drop back a little bit more. That was a good one.
I was just being a pussy at first.
That's so real.
And then I was like, fuck it.
Yeah, I feel like I'm leaning too far forward again.
I almost tried to stand up on that last one.
Yeah, you were holding it out.
I think if I would have had longer, I think I would have held it a lot longer too.
Yeah, that's fair. 1,000 likes on this video, she'll wheelie the R7.
So everybody go drop a like, follow, subscribe.
1,000 likes! You're wheeling! I can't hear you, but I'm gonna assume you said you're so down.
He said absolutely.
Exactly. Alright, cover the rear brake. This will be money. Trying to keep my arms somewhat locked as well, because I feel like if they're locked, I can't lean forward. Kind of like that. More throttle though. We definitely need a lot more throttle. Oh my gosh. That one I felt myself drop back. That scared the f out of me. Yeah, rip to my fork seals. Make sure you guys subscribe so I can afford some new fork seals. Alright, we're gonna try to do a tandem, some tandem wheelies. I gotta get up to speed a little bit more. Oh, it's bad on my end. I feel it. He's holding them out though. No, that was bad on my end. I think I'm just, I honestly think I'm just getting too scared. I don't know how I was doing it the other day. I'm definitely getting too scared. I don't know why. I botched the f out of that. Dude, I don't know why I'm getting so scared all of a sudden. When we were on the highway, I was just throwing them up and it was working. I'm too scared again.
Are you rolling slower now than you were the freeway?
I think I was going almost 60 on the freeway though.
I was gonna say, because you look like you're rolling, because just watching you, I was trying to pace with you and pop it up at the same time. And I was only going like 45 when I was with you.
Alright, well I'll go 60 then, because
I'm going like in between 50 and 60.
well, if I get to 60, by the time I pop it up, I'm like 57, 56.
Yeah.
So, I'll just try that. That one was a lot better. So my issue was I was going too slow. We are chasing them, so don't give me shit on that. We're definitely chasing them, but I'm honestly just trying to understand popping them up and holding them out for as long as possible. I know some people say go for height, not distance, but for me right now, I'm going for distance so I can understand it. Oh, I missed him. That's alright, I'll jerk him off later.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That was so good!
60 is the move!
That was so good!
I felt myself going like,
Yeah.
Scary!
Dude, you were holding that!
It felt good!
It was good!
Oh yeah! We still need that side by side because I botched it. Let's try to do it again.
Okay.
I'm just throwing it. I don't know. We'll try to get another one right here. See, I'm letting off the throttle way too soon. Alright, we're gonna let the bike cool down for a second. I'm gonna grab some food to eat. but now we know we need to be at around 60-ish range just to really pop it up and hold it out. So we definitely got one good wheelie. Okay. Crank it up. That wasn't a bad one. We're still chasing, but remember, we're just going for distance to get the feel of it.
I fucked it.
It's alright. I was surprised I even held it out.
No banger. Alright, do it again.
Try. I don't know why. I can't do it going this way. I just botch it. I want to see Coda try some.
Coda?
I'm going to wait and see if she's going to try some. Go ahead. Alright, let's watch this. There you go. Set that one down really hard. I think I'm being too blippy with the throttle. I'm sure when I go back and watch this, I'm gonna be like on and off the throttle a bunch, so we'll see. Oh, slow down. We were gonna get a race in with this 10, but this is not the road to do it on.
Oh, another good one.
Oh yeah. Good job. When you're letting off out of the clutch, you're dropping your throttle again. When you drop your clutch, you're letting off your throttle. Try to just keep on it a little bit more. Go for it again. I'll try to watch you.
A win is a win. A win is a win. I don't care what y'all say. A win is a win.
I thought that was a motorcycle cop for a second.
There's gonna be a bunch of people getting off of work here in like 20 minutes.
Okay.
So there's gonna be a lot of traffic here soon.
Gotcha. It's just gonna get packed?
Yeah.
Okay.
At least like 20 minutes while everybody's coming to work and getting off.
Right. Okay, yeah, we're probably only going to be here for like another 5-10.
Okay.
But yeah, I really appreciate that.
Be safe.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Ride safe.
What did he say?
He said there's going to be a lot of traffic in the next like 20 minutes. So, bam! Wait. I could feel myself starting to like lean really hard. Oh yeah, that one as well. I'm tucking myself in too much. Say what?
It went up.
You got it up? Very nice. Like off the ground? Very nice. Good job. 1,000 likes on this YouTube video and you gotta crank it up some more. Yeah? Deal? Deal. Alright, so we definitely got a lot better at wheelies. I know we're chasing still, so we're still learning, but I just wanted to get the fundamentals of really just popping it up, getting used to popping it up like that, and being able to get like height, because I feel like we definitely got up there with height, but we did 100% chase our wheelies out. There's definitely going to be a lot of traffic on the way home. Let's just hope we can get through that as best as possible. I'm going to wrap up the video here. We made some good progress on the wheelies today. Our last video as well, we tried to do quite a bit on the freeway. So that's kind of what I was trying to match today, just like 60 miles an hour. I really do appreciate everybody that stops by, everybody that supports the channel, and everybody that just keeps returning to the videos. It means so much to me. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It only takes a couple seconds out of your day. It is completely free, and it helps me and supports me to be able to do videos like this. With that being said though, I appreciate everybody that stops by and supports the channel. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace!